Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot: homemade baked beans from scratch. This is a good dish that you can make as a side dish for your barbecue. Let's get to the ingredients: salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, mustard, dried mustard, Worcestershire sauce, bay leaf, minced garlic, apple cider vinegar, molasses, ketchup, brown sugar. I have here diced bacon. You must use the thick cut bacon. Diced onions, and of course, the beans. I'm using navy beans. I have them soaking overnight. Now let's move along to making the homemade baked beans from scratch. I have a pot here. I'm going to turn it on medium low. I'm draining the overnight water off the beans. And I'm adding the beans to this pot. And then I'm going to fill it up with cold water. We're going to let it cook here for an hour and a half. Well, let's get to the next step. I have a cast iron pot here, and I'm turning it to medium low. I have the bacon here, and I'm going to fry up the bacon nice and crisp. That's just the first thing we do. Well, I think it's fried up enough. It's crisp up, so we can move to the next step. We're going to saute up the onions for about 3 minutes or until it's translucent. Now let's add the garlic in. We're going to saute this up for about 2 minutes with the onion and the bacon. Now all the other ingredients are going to jump in the pot. The ketchup just jumped into the pot. Now the brown sugar going to jump into the pot. The apple cider vinegar, the molasses, the Worcestershire. As always, all the ingredients will be in the description box below. The dried mustard, the smoked paprika, the black pepper, the salt, I just added the water from the beans that I cooked the beans in earlier. And now we're going to give the pot a stir. And we're going to add to that a bay leaf. And we're going to add the beans back into the pot. We're going to let this cook for 20 minutes. Then we're going to cover it up and put it in the oven for 3.5 hours. The oven is set to 325. There you have it. Homemade baked beans from scratch. Enjoy. Let's try the baked beans. It's still hot and just out of the oven. In. Delicious. These beans you should make because they taste better than the ones they have in the store in the can. You can taste all the flavor of the molasses, the brown sugar, the tanginess of the apple cider vinegar, and the crunchiness of the bacon. Everything just came together. So if you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And by the way, check out some of my older videos on the screen below. Bye.